Hey everybody, thanks for staying tuned. Again, my name is Shannon and I'm here at St.Albert Dodge with this Ram 1500. It's got the surround view camera, so camera on the front grille, camera underneath the lights. It's got your park sense technology as you're backing up or pulling forward. One of these little guys is going to trigger a response by the cluster display there beeping at you, letting you know where the obstruction is. It's also got a set of Toyo open country tires on it, which are great tires both on the highway and off-road. Moving to the back of the vehicle, you'll notice it also has the soft tonneau cover already installed, and then the dampened tailgate. So one release of that, nice dampened tailgate, spray and liner already ready to go. So you can do truck stuff. You've also got the dual exhaust, which pairs right up into that 5.7 liter Hemi that we love so much. So let's check out the inside. Yeah, Shannon's sitting in the front of this Ram 1500 Limited. I'll give you my 3 favorite features that this one has. The first is the Super Console. So you get the ability to have storage here, down in here, and then also underneath, because you can slide this console back. You got cup holders as well as a coin tray, wireless charger, slide your phone into there. And then also has a CD player, which is obviously pretty sweet. Don't see those as much anymore, but if you got your disc collection, go ahead and pull it out, put it up on the visor, and you'll be rocking out to NSYNC in no time. You've also got adaptive cruise control, so it can automatically determine the vehicle's speed in front of you and yours. So if they slow down, you'll slow down. If they speed up, you'll speed up. And if they come to an abrupt stop, it will understand the stopping distance between here and there, and it will automatically brake for you. Really cool feature, leaving us with the third most favorite option, which is in the back seat. Come check this out. That's these reclining seats I was talking about. So not only are they heated, they're ventilated, and they do this. There you go. We're sitting back, we're comfy, we got a couple more degrees of decline compared to the average airline. You also got the storage in here as well as a cup holder, and you're good to go. There's a little slot here for a tablet, so you can slide that in, sit back here, watch a movie while the driver and the passenger do the navigating. Hope you had a great experience checking out this Ram 1500 Limited. My name is Shannon Stute. Come down and check out the sound system because it's pretty nice too. You got the Harman Kardon right up here. Thanks for your time.